Did you know that the foods you eat every day could be silently increasing your risk of cancer? If you're eating these, it might be time to rethink your choices. Stick around to find out which foods you should avoid to lower your cancer risk. First up, charred meats. When meats like steak, bacon, or sausage are cooked at high temperatures, especially when grilled or fried, they release carcinogens called heterocyclic amines, HCAs. These chemicals can damage your DNA and increase your cancer risk, especially when consumed frequently. Next, let's talk about sugar. A diet high in sugar and refined carbs leads to insulin resistance and inflammation, which can fuel the growth of cancer cells. Soft drinks, candy, and pastries are all loaded with sugar, and studies have linked them to increased risks of cancers like breast and colon cancer. Processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats are also on the list. These meats are typically preserved with nitrates and nitrites, which can turn into cancer-causing compounds in your body. Research has shown that eating processed meats regularly may increase the risk of colorectal cancer. Alcohol is another culprit. While moderate drinking might seem harmless, excessive alcohol consumption is a known risk factor for several types of cancer, including liver, breast, and throat cancer. The more alcohol you consume, the higher your risk. Did you know that microwave popcorn can also increase your cancer risk? The lining of microwave popcorn bags contains a chemical called perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, which has been linked to various cancers. Additionally, the buttery flavoring often contains diacetyl, a chemical known to cause lung cancer in factory workers. Next, refined carbs like white bread and pasta. These foods have a high glycemic index and can spike your blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance. This insulin spike can fuel the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the case of breast and colon cancers. Farmed fish, particularly salmon, can contain high levels of harmful chemicals like PCBs, polychlorinated biphenyls, and mercury, which are linked to cancer. These toxins accumulate in fish over time and can have long-term health consequences when consumed regularly. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. You can protect yourself by focusing on a healthy diet rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. Think plenty of colorful fruits and veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins, foods that support your immune system and help fight cancer. Taking care of your health is the best investment you can make. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Let's beat cancer together, one meal at a time.